Alright guys, okay, so today I received my iPhone 12 Pro. I actually pre-ordered it, I think like somewhere mid-October. I just couldn't remember. Kailan ba yan? I think when Apple announced about the iPhone 12 series, so I did a pre-order, then I just received it today. So we'll do the unboxing thing. Yeah, we'll try. Wait. Okay, so this is the new iPhone 12 Pro. This is Pacific Blue, and this is 256 GB. Yeah, there it is. And it's slimmer. The box is so slim. See? Alright, so we'll try to unbox it. Yeah. Alright. Ooh, wow, this is so nice. Wow. Oops. Oh, so it's, sorry, I'm as of the moment I'm using the iPhone 10, so this is a bit new to me because it's, see, it's like thicker than my iPhone 10. But I think this is more durable. I like how they designed it. This is like, what do you call it? Like metallic, like glassy, shiny, whatever. And in this area, it's like matte, except for this one. And yeah, we have the 3 cameras over here and the flash thing. So this is the on. Okay. Can I still use my old charger for this? I think so. Yeah. Okay, because in the backs it only has the phone and this cable for charging, the USB-C. This is, yeah, see, and nothing else. Yeah, I think there's just like, oh, there's like the pin for the SIM card, and just like few manuals, and as usual the iPhone sticker, and it doesn't have anything else. So there's no like earpods or whatever, nothing, that's all. Okay. So, sorry, medyo OC ako, so I have to put it back. How was it? I think like this, yeah. Am I doing it right? I hope so. Anyways. Hey, come on. Yeah, see? Alright. Wow. I like it. Like, I like the color. It's classy. Wait, can I just have my iPhone 10 to just compare the size? Okay, so this is my iPhone 10. I'm not so sure about the slimming thing. I think it looks, this iPhone 10 is, yeah, slimmer than the other one, than the iPhone 12, and this is like the edgy part. That's why it looks more thick. because here it's like curve thing. Yeah, maybe that's fine. But for the size, should I put it like this? Yeah. Not too much though. Just a little. Yeah. I'm not into Pro Max. Because it's bigger. I don't like bigger ones. Because it's tend to be some more handy. Bulky. Or like just handy. So I could just type in just one hand. Like the other thing. Cause for example, this. Let me get my. Yeah. For example, this is my Samsung A80. It's Blackpink edition. But you see, I think I need two hand. I don't know. Maybe I just need two hand to just But with this, I think I could just. Yeah. So let's try to open it. Just need this. Oh, by the way, my iPhone 10 doesn't have any scratches because it still have like it has the plastic cover on the sides, even on the back side. See, if you can see this plastic cover, and this magnet is for my car holder. It has plastic on the side, so it doesn't have any scratches. Okay, now moving on. Ooh. Where is the here? Yeah. Right. I hope you're not. So I'm gonna be losing my. What's up? Is this how we? Yeah. I thought that both sides, because for iPhone 10 you have to do it both sides. Okay, they're almost the same size. Just a little bit bigger though, but yeah, if you can see like the flash, it's bigger. I just don't know the iPhone 11. I didn't go through with iPhone 11. That's why I got iPhone 12. Let me just set up my Face ID. Alright, so now you know what? These days it's just so hard to use the Face ID because all of us are wearing face mask. Yeah, to be honest. So okay, we're just trying to open it. So now I think we're all good. Alright, I guess I have to try to set this up. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Anyways, I'll try to keep you updated about this thing. Yeah, thank you. I'll see you again soon. Bye.